Hey, you sure we ain't gonna get in trouble for being up here? Action. Action!
Oh, hey, buddy. Today, I'm on top of the New Year's
We're on
Eve
top
ball.
of the New Year's Eve
You know, it's
ball.
about to drop. And I had to get this out before the end of this year. I'm going to do this giveaway. It's going to be my 200 subscriber giveaway. I hit it a while ago. I wasn't able to do this. But I am now. So, I got the 1969 Oldsmobile right here. It's a nice kit. I'm going to give this away to somebody. I got this Pro Stock Chevy Camaro. It's real nice. I'm gonna get this away to somebody. Oh, that slid off the ball, y'all.
Heads up down there.
I'm gonna get it later. It's still in the race.
The race.
But I'm gonna give away this tool kit. It's actually
okay.
a
That's
rotary
pretty
tool
nice.
kit. I got 2 of these.
2?
So that's
You
4
gotta
items
slide
that
one
I'm
my
gonna
way.
be giving away. All you gotta do is in the comments below, right down there.
They know where the comments are.
All you gotta do is say, "Hey, buddy." You type, "Hey, buddy," I know you're in, and I'll put you in the race.
What
And I'm gonna try to get
race?
these. I'm gonna try to get the numbers.
Well, you don't know what you're
all
talking
in and
about.
all that stuff.
I'ma handle
for
all
the next
that.
couple of days
Don't
or
worry
whatever,
about
so
it.
we can
I
get this
got
out
this.
the way. And hopefully everybody have a happy New Year.
I will.
And hope you had a Merry Christmas.
I did.
And I said
You know
a
what?
whole bunch of times.
Yeah, 'cause you kind of dumb.
Huh?
You heard me.
All right, whatever. Peace. Say peace.
Who you screaming at? Peace, buddies. Sorry, push you off of this ball.